Okay. Let me start. Blank screen against a black title card. And there's a quote by David Bowie from the song Changes. And these children that you spit on as they try to change their worlds are immune to your consultation. They're quite aware of what they're going through. Blank screen, title card shatters to reveal exterior Sherman High School day. During Brian's monologue, we see various views of inside the school. Brian's carrying on. Saturday, March 24th, 1984. Sherman High School, Sherman, Illinois. Dear Mr. Vernon, we accept the fact that we had to sacrifice a whole Saturday in detention for whatever it was that we did wrong. But we think you're crazy to make us write an essay telling you who we think we are. What do you care? You see us as you want to see us, in the simplest terms and the most convenient definitions. You see us as a brain, an athlete, a basket case, a princess, and a criminal. That's how we saw ourselves. We were brainwashed. Cut 2. Claire's car. Actually, her dad's car. We see Claire and her father sitting in their car in the parking lot. Claire is the prom queen and is clearly a snob. Okay, you can be Claire. All right. I can't believe you can't get me out of this. I mean, it's so absurd. I have to be here on a Saturday. It's not like I'm a defective or anything. I'll make it up to you, honey. Ditching class to go shopping doesn't make you a defective. Have a good day. Claire rolls her eyes and gets out of the car and walks to the front steps. Cut to interior Brian's car. All right. We've got to do that. That's going to be awesome. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Rockstar Cartoonist. I'm Michael Lyons, and I'm here today with Emily Aubrey. I'm not going to get your name wrong again. You better not. We were just reading the script to The Breakfast Club, the 1980s classic movie, The Breakfast Club. And I don't know, I was thinking about talking about The Breakfast Club today. But before we get started, can you hit the intro song? Oh, sure, I'll hit the intro song. Here you go. Welcome to Rockstar Cartoonist, the live stream podcast about rock stars and cartoonists and Ojibwe language and culture. Today, our show is brought to you by Ojibwe Words and Phrases, a book filled with Ojibwe words and phrases. It's not a dictionary. It's just a quick, convenient coffee table book guide to everyday Ojibwe. Links in the description, along with other books by the Rockstar Cartoonist. Moi. Moi. My Michael Lyons. Yep. Today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. How to say, I love you, and I love you too. Emily, I'm not embarrassed to tell you. Gizagain. Well, darling, gizagain gaye. All right. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Zag. Zag. Love. If you want to say I love you, you would say G means you. Zaga in. Zaga in. Gizaga in. I love you. Oh, if you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. Yeah. Whatever, because, that's how much I love you. But then teach them how to say, I love you too. All right. And then if you want to say I love you too, you got to add a gaye. Gizagayin. Gaye. Gaye. I love you too. Now, don't be confused. I know it's Pride Month. People can't stop yammering on about how proud they are to be gay. In the Ojibwe language, remember, A's sound like and E's sound like A, like in the word Ojibwe. You don't say Ojibwe, it's Ojibwe. So this isn't I love you gay. Oh, I love being gay. No. Gizaga in gaye. Gaye. I love you also. I love you too. And this has been your Ojibwe phrases of the day. To learn more about Ojibwe words and culture and phrases, check out Buju Nanabuju. Have you seen Buju Nanabuju, Emily? I've seen every one. I'm a big fan. Yeah. Did you learn a lot of Ojibwe? I sure did. Yeah, what can you say in Ojibwe? Gizaga in, ni weenie machine. Hey, very good. She just said, I love you, sweetheart. And I learned that word, nini machine. Yeah. That could be for like your boyfriend, but it could also be for like your little niece or your nephew. Yeah, it really does mean like sweetheart or sweetie. So people say, Nini Mushane, my sweetheart, is how it directly translates. But you could call somebody you're in love with, or just somebody you love, like your nieces and nephews. That's not creepy. If just hey kids, if your Ojibwe uncle calls you Nini Mushane and you're like, hey, I'm not your girlfriend. He's not saying that. He's just calling you sweetheart, like my little sweetie. That's all right. Anyway, so on with the show. Hey, sweetheart, Nini Mushane. Yeah, you gotta call a line too. Oh, really? I wonder who that could be. Caller, welcome to Rockstar Cartoonist. You're on the air. Oh, yes. Hello, Dalai Lama. Nini Mushane, it's the Dalai Lama. Oh, hi there, Dalai. Hey there, Your Holiness. How are you? You wanted to call in because you know something about love? What's he saying? He says he's the holy leader of Buddhism and that he knows everything about love. Yeah, what do you know about love? That's disgusting. What did he say? He says one thing he knows for sure is he loves having little boys lick his tongue. Oh, that's gross. Yeah, remember that? Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, you shouldn't be doing that, you creep. Anyway, what else can I do for you? Well, I just covered it. If you want to say I love you in Ojibwe. And by the way, don't be saying I love you to any Ojibwe kids if what you really love is licking their tongues. Zaga is love. Gizagain is I love you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. What did he say? He just said he loved me. Well, that's very sweet. You want to tell him you love him too? I don't love him. Listen, man, I gotta go. Here's an Ojibwe phrase. I will see you again. Gigawabamin minawa. That guy's a creep. I don't want to talk to him. Anyway. All right, how we doing here? Nobody's watching, sweetie. We got 0 viewers. What happened? I don't know. There's no way that Nana Buju had such a popular name that... I don't know, man. Now I'm depressed. Why don't you play the song and I'll get up there? All right. Here's a song we recorded last night by David Bowie. And it's called Let's Dance. In Ojibwe, we would say, Nimida, Nimida, let's dance. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. Hey y'all, Emily Aubrey, an Indigenous cause. Emily Aubrey is my name. Name and Wyndham, G-A-I-N-O-Man-um-gum. I'm happy to be here today. And yeah, I don't know what's going on. I can't believe that, did the internet just love Natasha so much, they hate me so much, that nobody wants to hear us talk anymore? Because we got no viewers on our live stream. Yeah, no, there was a time. Oh, wait, there's one. Oh, there is? Yep. Well, hey, y'all. Y'all. Hey there, you. Or as they say in the reservation, hey, yous. What's up? Anyway, you want to pick up where you're left off? Yeah, sure. Let's see. Enter Richard Vernon, a teacher. He holds a stack of papers in his left hand. He addresses the group with such disrespect it makes you wonder how he ever got the job. Well, 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 here we are. I want to congratulate you for being on time. Claire raises her hand. Excuse me, sir. I think there's been a mistake. I know it's detention, but I don't think I belong here. Vernon doesn't care. He just continues to talk. It is now 7:06. You have exactly 8 hours and 54 minutes to think about why you're here, to ponder the error of your ways. Bender spits into the air and catches the spit in his mouth again. Claire looks like she's gonna gag. You may not talk. You will not move from these seats. He glances up at Bender and points at him. Okay, wait, I'm looking for more Claire dialogue. Yeah, okay, well, here we go. I can't believe this is really happening to me. Oh, shit. What are we supposed to do if we have to take a piss? Please. If you gotta go, we hear Bender unzip his fly. You gotta go. Everyone is now looking at Bender. Oh my God! Hey, you're not urinating in here, man. If we bothered to do it and we got other actors, I think it would be really funny. Yeah. We're just practicing. We got the script for the Breakfast Club. And we're thinking about doing a puppet version, a YouTube version, recreation of the Breakfast Club. And I could play Claire. You could be Bender. Yeah, I could be Bender. Nana Buju could be Andrew. Yeah. And Natasha could be what's her name? Oh, Ali Sheedy's character. Yeah. Allison? Yeah, I think it's Allison. I can't remember. I just remember that one scene. She's all like, they're talking about their parents, and somebody goes, "Are we just going to become our parents when we grow up?" And Ali Sheedy goes, "It's inevitable. When you grow up, your heart dies." And then Bender's all like, "Who cares?" And just then, Ali Sheedy's eyes tear up, and she goes, "I care." Just thinking about that makes me want to tear up. Yeah, no kidding. That's such a good movie. If your kids aren't from back in the days of the grandfathers, like we are, the 1980s, you might not remember a movie called The Breakfast Club. Basically what The Breakfast Club was is these 5 kids get in school Saturday suspension. They all did something bad, and so they have to spend the Saturday in detention together, and they don't know each other. And there's a kid who's real smart and nerdy, and he's a brain. His name's Brian. Look at the big brain on Brian. And then there's like a princess. They call her Claire. And she's not really a princess. She's just a rich girl. Popular rich girl. There's Bender. He's a criminal. He likes to smoke cigarettes right in the library. And pot. They all get high. And Andrew. Now, Andrew is an interesting... Emilio Estevez. Emilio. Everybody loves Emilio because he was like the good brother. You got Charlie Sheen, and he was all into the drugs. But Emilio, he was like the good brother. And what happens? Oh, but I was watching a Breakfast Club the other day. So these kids will get together, and then they learn something about themselves. They learn that they're not just their stereotypes. They're not just the cliques that they belong to. In fact, each one of them is a brain and a princess and what have you. But, where was I going with this? Oh, you do know why Emilio Estevez was in school suspension that day?
He taped some kids' buns together.
Yeah, that's what they said. And he has like this emotional moment where he goes, and I think about the humiliation that boy must have felt when he had to go tell his dad what happened to him that day. How he got his buns taped together and he had a hairy butt. And how it must have hurt when they ripped off the tape. And then they all laughed about it later and they were like, well, hey, if you need anybody to tape your buns together, go talk to Emilio. Well, that's messed up.
What do you mean?
I mean, just think about what Emilio actually did that day. That's a sexual assault, if you ask me.
Really?
Yeah, number one, that boy was naked. He had to tear off his clothes. And he wouldn't have acted alone. He would have had to have, like, his buddies from the wrestling team wrestle him down and hold him. So then, I mean, where are the other guys? How come they weren't in on Saturday in school suspension? Just Emilio. He just applied the tape. What about the other guys? That's messed up.
Yeah, you're right.
I don't like Emilio anymore.
Well, he was just an actor.
Well, still. But I like that movie. Hey, 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 hey. That was the song we did yesterday.
Yep.
It got a copyright strike.
I know.
Maybe that's how come nobody's... YouTube's just not distributing this. Top chat, live chat, all messages are visible. Got 2 concurrent viewers, but they don't want to say hello. They don't want to Ikadon Bonjour. Ikadon Bonjour. Nish Anishinaabe Doog. Say hello, my fellow Anishinaabes. Well, so today's Ojibwe phrase of the day. Gizaka Ain. I love you. Zaga is love. Gizaga Ain. I love you. I love you. Yes, you once, twice, 3 times a lady. And I love you. You're 3 times a lady, Michael.
I'm not a lady, I'm a man.
Oh, that's right. A 6-foot hot look, all-American man. A man. Anyway, should I explain what the guttural stop is?
I think they already know.
Yeah, you're right. Zaga, love. Gazaka ain, I love you. And, well, let's keep it short and sweet.
All right. Hey, before we sign out,
Yeah?
you want to take a call?
Well, sure, I'll take a call. Line 2?
Yep.
Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the Rockstar Cartoonist live stream podcast. You're on the air.
Hello, Emily. This is Gene Simmons of KISS.
Well, hi there, Jane. Michael, it's Jane Simmons of KISS.
Hey, Gene, how you doing? Hello, Michael Lyons. You're a very powerful and attractive man.
Yeah, it's good to have you on the show. What can I do for you today, Jane?
Well, I noticed you were talking about the word love as the Ojibwe word of the day.
That's right, Zaga, love.
And I wanted to call in because I love it loud.
You love it loud. Oh, that's one of your songs. I love it loud. Loud. Want to hear it loud. Right between eyes.
That's right. I wrote that song because I love rock and roll, but I love listening to it loud. And I like it to hit you right between the eyes. And you know what I do when it does that?
What do you do?
I go, "Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Well, all right."
Okay, then. Well, thanks for calling in, Jane. That really clears up a lot.
All right. Well, hey, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye as such. Because we know we always will see you again. So instead we say, Gizaga'een. I will see you again.
Well, Gizaga'een, Emily. And Gizaga'een, Michael Lyons.
Yeah, you too, Gene. Thanks for calling up.
Well, all right. Ooh, yeah!
Jane Simmons.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. He loves it loud.
Yeah.
What's your favorite Kiss love song?
I Still Love You.
Yeah, that's my favorite one too. I still love you. I really love. That's the moment I think Paul Stanley should have retired.
Really?
Yeah. Do you guys remember that when Paul Stanley? It was on the Kiss Unplugged. It was a big show. It was on Halloween in 1997, I think.
You remember the year?
Yeah. For me, when Kiss is on TV, that's kind of like some people like, where were you when the space shuttle blew up? Where were you on 9/11? For me, I remember where I was when like Kiss did the Unplugged. So Halloween night, 1997. 96. I think it was 96. Kiss gets together, acoustic guitars, and they invite Peter and Ace back. And Paul Stanley in the middle of the show, he gets to that part where he goes, I still I still love you. You're right.
Yeah.
And it's so great. But what he should have done is right at that moment, because he should have just put his guitar down, went, thank you very much, walked off the stage. Never again, if Kiss had quit right then,
Yeah.
they would have gone down in history. The world would remember Kiss as being the greatest rock and roll band of all time.
Yeah, but then they never would have had the reunion tour.
Good. I'm sorry that Kiss ever had that reunion tour. I wish they had retired in 1996 with some dignity when they were still on top.
You don't think they're on top anymore?
they're circling the drain as they're on top of their grave yet for the next couple of weeks, but no, they're not on the top. It's time to hang it up, boys. And on that,
Yeah.
you want to add anything?
No, it's good.
All right, hey y'all. Just want to say miigwech. Thank you. Chi miigwech. Thank you so much. Miigwech got busy dawi egg. Thank you for listening. Dush. Miigwech. Gonna wubby egg. And thank you for watching Rockstar Cartoonist by Michael Lyons. My name is Emily Aubrey. Emily Aubrey Nindish cause. This over here is Michael Lyons.
Hey, thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gay ga waba man. Minawa. Hawa.
That was great.
All right. Thank you very much.
da 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 da